In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Patreon emails. If your inbox is getting crowded with Patreon updates, creator announcements, or account-related messages you don't want to receive as often, the good news is that Patreon gives you control over those email notification settings. Whether you're using a web browser on your computer or the Patreon mobile app, the process is pretty straightforward. To begin, log into your Patreon account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before changing anything, especially if you use more than one login. Once you're in, look for the settings area. On desktop, this is usually found in the left side menu. On mobile, you may need to tap your profile icon first to open the menu and find settings there. After you open settings, look for the email notifications tab. This is the section where Patreon lets you manage which types of emails you want to receive. Depending on the version of the app or site you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording should be very similar. Take your time here so you don't accidentally change a different preference. Inside the email notifications section, you'll see a list of email categories with switches or toggles next to them. These represent the different kinds of updates Patreon can send you. If you only want to stop certain emails, turn off the switches next to the specific update types you no longer want. If you'd rather stop all Patreon emails, you can simply switch them all off. This step is useful because it lets you customize your experience instead of completely disconnecting from important account activity unless that's what you want. For example, some users prefer to keep billing or security-related emails enabled while turning off promotional or creator update emails. Just review the list carefully and choose what works best for you. Once you've turned off the notifications you don't want, your changes will usually save automatically. In some cases, Patreon may show an update or save button, so if you see one, click it to make sure your settings are applied. After that, you're done. Your Patreon email preferences should now reflect the changes you selected. If you still receive emails afterward, give it a little time, since some already scheduled messages may still come through briefly. You can also return to the same settings page anytime if you want to re-enable certain notifications later, and that's how to turn off Patreon emails.